In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically change the color of cells in Microsoft Excel using conditional formatting, a very useful feature for highlighting data visually. Imagine you have a list of people along with their ages, and instead of sorting this data, you'd like to highlight the lowest, highest, and mid-range ages using different colors to make the information pop. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. To start, you'll want to select the range of cells you wish to apply the conditional formatting to. Simply click and drag your cursor over the cells that contain the ages. With your selection made, head over to the Home tab, which you'll find is usually the default tab when you open Excel. It's in this menu that you'll find a variety of useful tools. Now look for the Conditional Formatting button, give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, choose New Rule. Once you've clicked New Rule, you'll see the new formatting rule window appear. Here, you'll need to select the option to format all cells based on their values. This selection allows you to apply dynamic formatting to your data. Now, under the formatting style, choose a 3-color scale. This particular style is perfect for our needs as it highlights the minimum, midpoint, and maximum values with different colors, giving you a clear visual representation of the range of ages. You have the option to adjust the color settings to suit your preference. In this demonstration, let's set the midpoint age at 50. It's worth noting that you don't need to manually set the minimum and maximum values unless you have a specific requirement or preference. Once you're satisfied with your color selections and settings, click OK. Voila! Your data is now color-coded, allowing you to spot key insights at a glance. For instance, you may notice someone like Carlos Ramirez, who stands out as the oldest in the list, or see Sarah Lim, who falls in the middle age range, and clearly spot Ana de la Cruz as the youngest. This functionality is just one of the many powerful tools available within Excel's conditional formatting. By using this feature, you can transform a simple list of numbers into a visually engaging and informative display. I hope this basic guide has provided you with a good introduction to conditional formatting and how it can be applied to improve your data analysis. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.